Kingdom Plantae with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Kingdom Plantae includes eukaryotic autotrophic plants. Nucleus is present in the cell. Cell wall is present and made up of cellulose. Members have multicellular body organization. Lower plants show vegetative and asexual reproduction. Higher plants have cones or strobili and flowers as reproductive organs. Kingdom Plantae with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Plants show indefinite or infinite growth due to presence of meristematic tissue. Plants do not have proper shape. Few plants are partially autotrophic or partially heterotrophic like pitcher plants, Drosera, Venus, flytrap, etc. Plants can be parasite also, for example, Cuscuta. Generally, all plants have chlorophylls and chloroplast. Kingdom Plantae with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Plants are sessile, that is stable, non-motile organisms. Active locomotion is absent. Plants have two distinct phases in life cycle, that is haploid gametophytic phase and diploid sporophytic phase. Both gametophyte and sporophyte phases alternate with each other. This phenomena is called as alternation of generation. Due to photosynthetic ability, plants are called as producers. Kingdom Plantae with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Plants have irregular body forms with poor irritability. Reserve food materials are starch and fat. Lower plants have tissue level body organization except few algae, and higher plants have organ level body organization. Except algae, all other group of plants have embryo formation. Kingdom Plantae includes Thallophyta, that is algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Kingdom Animalia with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Kingdom Animalia includes eukaryotic multicellular heterotrophic organisms. Cell wall is absent. Cells have well-developed nucleus with nuclear envelope. Members are mostly holozoic, having ingestive type of nutrition. Organisms have regular body form, that is proper shape of body. Members have definite growth as well-defined growing point is absent. Kingdom Animalia with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Animals have generally developed sensory system and neuromotor transmission system. They show quick response to external stimuli, that is having high degree of irritability. Animals lack plastids and photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophylls, etc. Animals are motile or mobile organisms. They perform sexual reproduction mostly. Kingdom Animalia with reference to five kingdoms classification. Characteristic features. Animals store their food in the form of glycogen and fat. Embryonic stage is present. Ecologically, animals are consumers. Animals have cellular, tissue or organ system level body organization. Kingdom Animalia includes all the animals of two kingdoms classification except the protozoans. Mycorrhiza. Introduction. Mycorrhiza is also called as fungal roots. Mycorrhiza is mutual beneficial symbiotic association between fungus mycelium and roots of higher plants. Fungi may belong to class Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, and Basidiomycetes, whereas roots of higher plants may belong to Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Name mycorrhiza was given by Frank, 1885. Mycorrhiza. Introduction. In mycorrhiza, association between fungi and roots are not very specific. A plant root can form association with several fungi. In mycorrhiza association, plant roots do not have root cap and root hairs. Benefits to fungi. Fungi get shelter and nourishment in the form of sugar and other soluble compounds from the root cells. Benefits to roots. Fungi increase absorption surface area of roots, and fungi also absorb water, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur for roots. Mycorrhiza. Introduction. Mycorrhizal roots differ in shape from normal roots and show a woolly covering. A fungus may get associated with roots of a number of plants, and a particular plant root may form association with a number of fungi. Fungal mycelium are able to break the cell walls of root cells up to a limited extent. Thus, fungal mycelium are restricted up to cortical or cortex region of the root. Types of mycorrhiza. Based on location of fungus, mycorrhiza is of two types. Number one, ectomycorrhiza. It occurs in about 3 to 10% of plant species. Here, fungal mycelium is external, forming woolly pseudoparenchymatous sheath on external surface of root. Fungal mycelium also penetrate the root surface and spread intercellularly between the cortical cells, forming a network or net called as Hurtig net. Ectomycorrhiza. In ectomycorrhiza, fungi belong to class Basidiomycetes, for example, Boletus, Clavatia, Amanita, etc., and also some Ascomycetes. Roots belong to both Gymnosperms, for example, Pinus, and Angiosperms, for example, oak, eucalyptus, etc. Here, fungi get indirect nourishment in the form of secretion from roots. The woolly covering of fungal mycelium on root surface is known as mantle. Number two, endomycorrhiza. It occurs in about 90% of plant species. In endomycorrhiza, mantle, that is woolly covering of mycelium on root surface, and Hurtig net are absent. Here, fungal mycelium enter inside root and spread intercellularly and intracellularly. Fungal mycelium or hyphae enter inside the root cells or cortical cells by breaking cell walls and form branched vesicles like swollen structures. Endomycorrhiza. Due to ability of forming branched, bulged or swollen structures of mycelium inside cortical cells, endomycorrhiza is also called as VAM, that is vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. Branched knob-like vesicles, that is arbuscles, act as haustoria. that is absorbing structure. Endomycorrhiza, that is worm, gets direct nourishment from root cells. Worm is also useful for phosphate absorption. Endomycorrhiza. Here fungi mainly belong to Phycomycetes, that is Zygomycetes, for example Glomus, and roots belong to mostly angiosperms, for example orchids, coffee, etc. Note: orchids seldom, that is rarely, exist without mycorrhiza association. Pinus and birch plant show stunted growth without mycorrhiza. Intracellular hyphae formation occur where root cells do not secrete food materials like in endomycorrhiza, and hyphae get direct nutrition from root cells.